managing your screens on Zoom and how to get the best view, and how to use split screen mode. If you're on a Zoom meeting with more than one person and you want to get a good view of everyone, but you're feeling frustrated like this, well, don't worry. Before we get into the solutions, welcome to Teleplay Creations. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button here and the notification button. Once you have Zoom downloaded onto your computer, you can launch it from here. If you don't have an account set up or know how to do it, please check out the next video. I'll put it in the descriptions below. Hello there! Next, look for the video icon found in the left corner and click on the arrow. You can also click on that icon to turn on and off your video. Once you click on the arrow, a menu setting will pull up. Click on video settings and a window with all the different setting features will pull up. Now, as you scroll through these different settings, you want to choose FaceTime HD camera. Even though you have chosen this all of course depends on your camera. The better the camera is, the sharper the images will be. So Mirror My Video is a great feature, so when you're looking at yourself and moving in front of the camera, you won't get confused. Touch Up My Appearance is a great option, you can play around with that. Adjust for low light setting. I usually put that on auto, however, I usually have this off because I find that having natural lighting in your real environment is the best. Meaning having all the lights behind the laptop in front of you. Always show video preview is always great, so before you log on it gives you a little preview of what you look like so you can fix yourself before everyone sees you. Hide non-video participants is great to save on-screen space, and spotlight my video when speaking so that everyone can see you when you're talking and interacting. If you go to the midsection where it says always display participant's name, that's great to have on, especially if you don't know a lot of people that will be on the Zoom meeting. Underneath that, turn on and off video is a great feature to have, especially if you're not comfortable, but I do recommend having it on. It makes the interaction a lot better. And if you click under advanced, you will want to select both of these features on. Why, hello there! So here you'll see an example of what it looks like once more people join. To my left and down below. The more people, the more windows will pop up. Now over to my right, you'll see this window for participants. You can select that by clicking on the two-person icon. If you click on the arrow, you have an invite option as well. When you click on that, the window will disappear, and when you click on it again, it will reappear. You have the option to see your participants window in a different way. Go to the arrow at the top there and choose pop out. This way it's no longer attached to your main Zoom screen, and you can move this window to wherever you like. If you're host, click on the more at the bottom right. Here it allows you different features such as muting participants upon entry or play sound when someone joins or leaves. This is great to have on, especially if you're sharing your screen because you won't be able to see everyone. Merge to meeting window will allow you to have your participants window attached to your main Zoom screen, just like how you saw at the beginning. If you scroll under the different participants' name, you'll see blue button that says more or mute. You have that control if you're the host, and you can also rename yourself or anyone else. You can also do that for yourself even if you're a guest, but you won't be able to do it for others because you're not the host. You can also stop video or spotlight everyone if you're the host again, so you can feature what you want everyone to see. Now when renaming, you can click rename and you can rename names just like how I showed you there. And you can also make people a co-host as well. At the top right corner, you'll see this view window. Very useful to have. If you click speaker, you'll see the main speaker highlighted on a big screen and everyone else is in a smaller screen. If you move your mouse over the smaller screens, you'll see a 3-dot button show up. Here you can ask to start the video, stop the video, or make a host, rename, all the features you had under participants. Again, only if you are the host. If you're not the host, you can still select certain things. If you move over again and select spotlight for everyone, you can choose to see which screen as the larger video. Under view and you click under gallery, you can see everyone again. And if you click full screen, it'll expand to your full screen size, and to exit out of that, please press escape. If you do not want to see all your participants, you can close it here. Now once you move your mouse, you'll see that that view window will pop up. It will hide away when you don't use it, so you just need to move your mouse. And I do recommend playing around with this depending on who you want to see and who you want to spotlight. or have it in gallery view so you can see everyone. Next, I'll share with you how to adjust your screen if someone is sharing their screen with you. So meaning they're presenting something. So for example, here you see on the left, someone is sharing their screen, and to the right, you see all these little windows of your participants or of the participants. If you move your mouse at the top, you'll see this little menu option that will pop up, and click view options and click side by side mode. Because once you have that off, you'll see that all the little windows will be at the top. Once you click it on, you'll see it back to the right. These two white lines, if you hold and drag it, will allow you to adjust the window size. So this is a great feature to have. And again, if you move over each window and over the three little dot buttons, you can do the same thing as I had shared before. Here's an example of me spotlighting myself. You can choose to spotlight other participants as well, and me sharing the screen. Now, if you click on view options again, you can choose screen size. I prefer fit to window, best view that way. And if you go to the top right corner again, view options, if you go side by side speaker, this is what you see. If you go side by side gallery, you'll see everyone again along with what is being shared on the screen. And that is it. If you're new, do play around with it, and once you get familiar, it's quite easy to use. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave me your comments. For more information, do visit rainorShineTherapy.com/teleplaycreations. Don't forget to subscribe and click on this notification for upcoming new videos.